time you are watching me, and in today's video guys, I am going on a trip. So before the trip I wanted to share with you how I generally get ready for a trip. So in this trip I'll be showing you a list of things that I do before the trip. Here's the list that you can see. So I'll have to go and take care of my hair, and I'll also do some waxing, and yeah, pretty much that. I'll also do my eyebrows. So this video, and let's go to the salon. Actually guys, मेरे जो बाल का लेंथ है वो थोड़ा अजीब सा है. I really don't love the length right now. Either I like long hairs, बहुत लंबा, और I want to go shorter. So definitely I'm gonna go shorter again because I really don't dig this look. So I really wanted to change up my look. And कहाँ जा रही हूँ, क्या कर रही हूँ, you will get to know pretty soon in the next vlog. But before that let's get started. मेरे को actually nails करवाना है, hair care कराना है. Yeah, pretty much all these things that I wanted to get done before the video, before leaving for the trip. And also I'm going to upload this video before leaving for the trip, so that you will get to see the trip ka vlogs on the same date. So yeah, now this is my sister's fit. We look kinda similar, but yeah, that's our fit, and let's get going. तो यहाँ पे I am on my way to the salon, and इस बारी I'm not going alone, I'm going along with my sister. So yeah, that's we are, and we have reached the salon. So this is the salon called Neil and John's. I'm sure इन लोगों के बहुत सारे outlets है all over India में, and ये वाला जो है ये सिरामपुर का है outlet, and I love the job. This is how the salon looks, and I am here for my haircut, waxing and threading. So this is how my hair looks before. काफ़ी damaged है, texture भी ठीक नहीं है because I absolutely do not care for my hair. Now I am getting my hair washed, जो बहुत ज़्यादा soothing लगता है, and I love this is the best part of you know, a haircut. And yeah, I am set, and this is सद्दाम भैया जो मेरा haircut करते हैं. And I am definitely going to mention his you know, Instagram ID in the description box, so you guys can check it out. And yeah, Neil and John's का भी मैं Instagram ID डाल दूँगी. बहुत ही बढ़िया haircut इन्होंने करा है मेरा. I went for a shorter haircut, and then I got my you know, eyebrows fixed, and then बस blow dry करवाया था अभी. इसके बाद he'll do my styling. He always does styling to every haircut. He doesn't take extra charge for styling, which is the best part. ये हमेशा हेयर स्टाइल कर देते हैं always. And because I was going for a trip, he just did not leave it after, you know, giving it a nice blow dry. He also, you know, straightened it for me so that ये काफ़ी दिन तक चले. And this is how my hair looks. Now you'll see he's straightening my hair. Absolutely love the work he did on my hair, because same rate में, haircut के rate में, he also does styling for your hair, and which is great. And yeah, that's how my hair looks, and I am super happy, and it's very cost effective. Hi guys, so I am back home after my haircut, and I have done my eyebrows, and I've done my waxing as well. So मेरा जो बचा हुआ है, which is my nails. So I am quickly gonna do my nails. I just came back home and I'm in my PJs, and let's get started with my nails. So यहाँ पे मैं जो कर रही हूँ, ये एक नेल किट है जो मेरी एक मासी ने मेरे को दिया था, which basically has this nail glue. ये आपको कहीं भी ऑनलाइन मिल जाएगा. मैं लिंक में डाल दूँगी एक you know, a box of nails जहाँ पे almost 200 pieces of nails, white nails रहते हैं. उसके साथ ही nail glue भी आ जाता है. 200 रुपीज़ में बहुत सारे pieces रहते हैं. I think 50 pieces रहते हैं, and उसको मैं बस चिपका देती हूँ, and then I just get my nail painted. ये मैंने लिया है नायका से. This is from K Beauty. Love the shade. I'll add the link, and I'm done. So guys, ऐसे मैंने कितने, I think 400 रुपीज़ में मेरा nails हो गया, जो you know, एक सिटिंग के लिए एक हाथ का भी नहीं होता है. अगर आप प्रेस ऑन भी करो, या फिर इवन इफ़ यू गो फॉर यू नो एक्सटेंशंस लाइक एक्रिलिक और जेल, दिस इज़ हाउ माय नेल लुक्स. So guys, this is the next morning, and I pretty much did my packing and everything, and I did not shoot it. तो मेरा पैकिंग एंड ऑल सब कुछ हो गया है. आई डिड नॉट डू एनीथिंग टू माई फेस. मैंने फेस पैक वो सब कुछ लगाया नहीं है. सो या, आई एम प्रीटी मच रेडी, एंड नाउ अभी 2 बज रहे हैं. मैं 1-1.5 घंटे में निकल जाऊंगी, क्योंकि यहाँ पे कुछ रोड में स्ट्राइक वगैरह चल रहा है. आई विल जस्ट get going then, and in the next vlog I am going to reveal कि मैं कहाँ जा रही हूँ. So yeah, bye guys, I'll see you soon in the very next video.